I got a phone call last night from a customer who was in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and he was just telling me that there's a snowstorm coming in and he's got to leave on the day that it's going to start. And for a customer of mine, it is not acceptable for them to get stuck because they don't have the right resources that they need. So I jumped on the Downtime Terminator app and I looked at his exact location. I contacted every single auto parts store that carried medium duty and heavy duty snow chains, and I got him the best deal on the best quality product for his truck. I made sure that he had a vendor that helped him install it correctly so that he has all the traction he needs to make his 1,798 mile trip home back to his home base in Maryland. And if you want to work with a fleet partner that manages your fleet with active skills and also has the best tech stack in the industry because they built it in-house, then you gotta work with Revit Auto. What we do is we partner with you. We align our incentives with your goals, and that's what makes us so much different. So if you want to give us a call, shoot me a message. I'd be delighted to help you.